What's up, guys? It's Dana. Welcome back to the show and the monthly closed stream. So, let's get straight into it because a lot of things have been happening and it is the monthly close. So, what's going on? Let's see now. Okay, um, unfortunately, looks like it closed below this level, 19,469. It's not the end of the world, at least not yet. Let's give it a day or two. But at least we did not close below 19K, which is something, okay? So let's take that with us. We do have like a pink bar instead in the MACD showing us, maybe the negative momentum is gonna go away, hopefully. We'll have a look. We do have a nice divergence on the RSI. And if we look at the index chart instead, we do have hidden bullish divergence on both oscillators, okay? Which is something. Back to this chart. This is the one I've been working on. So sell pressure is still high. Sell pressure was high like past month. Let's see what this month gives us. A lot of people do say that October is supposed to be a good month, but I don't know about these kind of things. I'd rather stick to the chart. Let's have a look, like the fact that we do have an indecision candle, like kind of past month. That's how it closed after all this terrible price action. Not a bad thing, okay? Let's see if this candle can lead us to something, good, hopefully this month. Let's have a look at the weekly, just because like we do have a few days left, 2 days left till the weekly candle's closed. We still are like having a bearish divergence on the weekly, which tells us like we might see some more action to the downside, because this is not mature yet. It's still raw. The candle just started. So let's look at the shorter time frames, one after one. Okay, daily. The bullish divergence is still in play on the daily. We do have positive momentum on the MACD. We are unfortunately below the short-term moving average, the midterm MA as well, and even the long-term. But our size is close to neutral territories right now. Past volume bar, not looking good. Like a lot of factors like saying that we're still, bearish all in all, looking at the weekly and daily. And monthly, okay, fine. We ended with an indecision candle, but the fact that we couldn't even close, look at the close here. It was at 19,422. So we couldn't get above 19,800 even, and close above it. But it's okay. It's okay. We'll work with what we got. So, oh, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. The volume is too high from distant music. Okay, I think it's better this way, yeah? Okay, for our chart. What's going on? Okay, we are showing like some type of, like we are trying to hold above 19.3 and 19.455. We are trying, but it doesn't look like it's been easy for the bulls. It's not like bears keep on coming and smashing. We do have some type of nice divergence forming on the 4-hourly forming. It's not complete yet. It just started, so let's give it some time and see where it takes us. Just having a sip of tea. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum monthly. What's going on here? Same. We are losing, like, it's the first bar, you know, we gotta be careful. But we are losing, you know, negative momentum on the MACD, and we do have nice divergence forming um, on the RSI, and I bet it's on both oscillators. If we could see, you know, more history on this side. Let's see. Like, the good thing is that we did not close below 19K. Like, that is a good sign, okay? So there could be a nice, you know, relief rally going on soon. We will have a look. But I'm not saying the bottom is in yet. Let's give it some time. If that happens, I'll change my mind. If I see any sign telling us that, I'll definitely change my mind. But until then, let's give it some time to mature, okay? Same goes for Ethereum, and if I see something there too, I'll also change my mind. Okay, let's look at the daily Ethereum. Like this sideways action. Okay, look. We fell. Looks like there's a lot of indecision going on right now. There is nice, like there was some nice bullish divergence going on, and it is playing out right now. Okay, we are in it. So let's give it time, because 4-hourly is not looking that bad. Let me hop back to Bitcoin. Same thing here. Like I said, the bullish divergence is in play right now, okay? It is kind of bad. Like, it's not a good thing that we can't get over 20,400, you know, around these levels. That would be somewhere here. Like, we keep on getting rejected. So we had some push and then another like doji kind of candle, you see. So but we are right at this, around this key level, you know, around this critical area right now. So it's important that we actually see, you know, some action. And I think we will. Let's just give it some time. So we do have still the resistance and the support levels haven't changed. It's pretty much the same. But right now we do have support around 19,300 levels. 19. Let's see now. Yeah, 19,200, 19,300. Okay. So if we if we can hold above that, let me just, around these levels, okay? If we can hold and not close any 4-hourly candle below, let's say 19,200 areas, 19,150, around these levels, it could come back down and then hopefully, you know, just bounce from the support, first support level. You'll see. And back to Ethereum. Okay, so if it respects this 1320, 1300, like 1310 to 1320 levels, let's say 1300 to 1320 levels, this sideways action can hold and then, you know, just push us to the upper side. Because there is one thing good with the Ethereum, it is that we are just, you know, like we are holding the short-term moving average. Same thing with Bitcoin for hourly chart. And where can we find resistance? Okay, we got resistance around 1380, around these areas, and next one definitely around 1400. So these are the first and second resistance levels I'm looking at, and yeah, we'll see now. We'll see if everything, you know, if TA is respected. Okay. What else? Let's have a look at Cardano, if anything has happened. Monthly. Just gonna sip my tea. Okay. Like, just saying, if we want to see a push on Cardano, like coming, for example, even next month, we have to see a nice bullish engulfing candle this month. Okay, we are losing negative momentum on the MACD, slowly losing. Like, we'll see what happens. There is no divergence or so when it comes to Cardano monthly chart. I do like this inverted hammer going on here. We'll see where this goes. Yeah, weekly is not looking lovely. Weekly also showing bearish divergence, okay? Keep that in mind. But I do see some indecision, you know. So we will see, we'll see. But monthly, this inverted hammer, let's see if it plays out. Just a minute. We are holding this, you know, key level, critical level on Cardano. Plus, there is like some type of, you know, hidden divergence, you know, forming, you know, a nice divergence forming. Let's see if it falls. Like we keep on demand, like there is demand, obviously. We keep on pulling up a little by little, you see. And the monthly, like let's not forget, like this inverted hammer, if it plays out like this, is not a bad thing. You know what they say about inverted hammers? They appear, you know, on a chart when, you know, at the bottom of a downtrend. You know, it's signaling potential. Like it's not 100% sure. We'll see what happens, but it signals, like it gives the signal of a potential bullish reversal. Okay, so we'll see. After all this month of, you know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 straight, you know, bad candles. Well, if we take out this one, 9 straight bad candles, bearish candles, we might see something, at least, you know, back to 0.52 or something. We will see. But if we can close this month above 0.52, it would be something. Eventually, at least 0.6 for a start. Let me just daily. Let's see if this nice divergence plays out on top of the inverted hammer on the monthly. And like, you know, I see some positive signs, but let's see if it plays out. It's potential, you know, signals telling us could be bullish, but the damage is like still like going on as long as we are stuck below literally 0 point, like at least if we can get above 0.46, you know, close above it somewhere there, it would be something. But I also do see, just a minute, this. Okay, looks like we are trying to break out of this daily, you know, resistance line. So let's see what happens. This is gonna be interesting. Cardano is actually looking interesting right now. I just hope it's not gonna be one of those, you know, little mini tiny pushes that doesn't, you know, do that much, but we'll see. So that's Cardano for hourly. Yeah, I forgot to look at the RSI on the daily. It is still, yeah, it's still kind of bearish. For hourly, like around neutral territory, but we'll see what happens. We gotta break above 0.34 at least, 0.44 levels. Close the 4-hourly candle above it, and if we do, still next resistance around 0. Like, there's a lot of resistance. It's not gonna be an easy way up. But remember, daily we are on the verge of getting out. It looks like it. Let's see if it happens. But just because we break out, you know, it doesn't mean we are done, like we are out of danger. We actually have to see like back test and then some follow through. That would give us, you know, some more, you know, a little bit more confidence. Okay, that's Cardano. Let's see now. Let's head over to Bitcoin just to see what's going on. Okay, so yesterday's TA got respected when it came to Bitcoin USDT pair. If you saw my stream from yesterday, I did say that looks like we are gonna have a push before anything else. And I said we could land somewhere around 2300, 2400, and if we can close above that on a 4-hourly chart, like we could see, you know, some more action to the upside. We came all the way to around 20,200, to be exact, 20,185, and then yeah, back down again, but close to the targets. You know, there are a lot of buyers, you know, that, you know, pros maybe, you know, that were waiting at these levels, get out maybe. So yeah, okay, what else? Link. Oh, look at this. Oh, Link, look at Link. Okay. We are losing negative momentum on the MACD. There is nice divergence on the RSI, and we're talking about the monthly candle. Not bad for Link. Okay. So monthly looks interesting. Monthly kind of looks like it's gonna have a good month. We opened below this critical level, opened 7.584, okay, and closed 7.585. Like, past candle closed above this critical level, which is a good thing. Now let's see some follow through. Let's look at the weekly as well and see if it got, you know, hidden bearish divergence like the rest of them. So far, let's see now. So far, it doesn't have any bearish divergence. Not like for us to like make that bearish divergence invalid. Like we literally have to go somewhere above $30. But at the moment, right now, on the weekly, there is no like. Let me see. On the MACD at least, there is no bearish divergence. But on the RSI, there is hidden bearish divergence, okay? You guys see this? So cautious. Like 50-50. Oscillator giving us 50-50 vibe. Okay, like we're holding on. This is the daily chart. Looks like we are trying to hold support, like we are holding it. And I spoke about the support, when we were at these levels. I think I did say this would be first support level around 7.5. We kind of touched, like tested it, almost before yesterday, and then yesterday we definitely touched it. But today, look, we didn't close below it. Another bullish thing with Link right now, okay? We are losing positive momentum on the MACD, yes. There is, divergence, hidden bearish divergence on the MACD. It's a bit difficult to see, but it's there, okay? Let's see now. Let me check one thing. Yeah, well, yeah, okay. Looks like the bearish divergence already played out, but we are losing, negative momentum on the MACD, and we were at resistance levels. Now the question is this support gonna hold or not? If it holds, I can see us, testing $8 again, 7.9, somewhere around these areas. But if it fails, see you back around probably 7.3, even 7.1, around these levels for start. That would be second support, because this is the first support, okay? And then we do have this short-term moving average that is trying to roll over the midterm. That would be, the bearish signal if that happens. Let's have a look at the 4-hourly. Yeah, okay, we have to get above 7.9 even on the 4-hourly. If we can get above 7.9, we have major resistance around, I think, 8.4. This red line that I have here, 8.4. But another one around, like a mini one, just a mini one. But if we can break 7.9 to $8, we could come back and retest these levels at least, and then we'll see. Major is when I'm looking at Link. If this is a good month, sorry, if this is gonna be a good month for Link, $10 is not far. Like $10 is really not far, okay? And I'm looking at that as first target at least. But we gotta get above, for now, we gotta get above $8, at least on the 4-hourly candle, close above it, get back around 8.4, break it, break the last resistance level, and then eventually see first around 9.5, where we'll see some resistance again. So, okay, let me reframe that. So first target would be around 9.5 after we break 8.4 level. Simple. After that, you already know. Let's head back to Bitcoin and see what's going on there. Critical levels. Let's just have a glance. Okay, so I mean, if we close like somewhere here, it's okay. What I like is gonna be a bit, crucial is if we close below these areas, below 90, just let's say 19,150 to even 19K, because yeah, that's risky in the beginning of the month. It's gonna be risky. Yeah, let's have a look at some others, because this is it's looking, I don't know, kind of worrisome a bit. Yeah, this, imagine if this turns into like one ugly red bullish candle. I mean, sorry, red bearish candle. Whatever people have been predicting that October is a pump, like I'm not into those stuff, at least until if and only I see in history that it's actually been like that, okay then, but otherwise, I don't know. But I do believe the past September one, I think it was called the Rectember. It was, yeah, it was kind of a wrecked September. So now they're saying Pumptober. I don't know about this Pumptober, but we will see. It's not the first time I'm hearing those things, but it's kind of funny. But sometimes it adds up when you look at history. We can have a look at, we already had a look at Link, maybe Binance Coin. Let's see what's going on there. We did hit our, our targets yesterday too. So TA respected when it comes to BNB SDT. Okay, we are still above like critical levels. This zone right here, way above it actually. Let's have a look at the weekly. Wait, monthly, we have nice divergence on the monthly too. Okay, fine. Okay, bullish divergence is in play. This is the monthly. Good. Nice so far. Sorry, this is the weekly, I mean. Yeah, like I said yesterday, like we could see some nice action when it comes to BNB, because it sure does look like it. We do have like nice divergence on both oscillators when it comes to BNB USDT, on both oscillators, and this is the monthly chart. Now let's see if it's respected, because that's not always the case. Okay. So we are out of this resistance level or line. But the fact that there is like I don't know, like I gotta see some back tests. I'm not counting this as one because look at this indecision candle, and we might be rejected by the moving average short term. Come back and test these levels and see, you know, if we get a follow through, we'll see. But if we do eventually see around 300, 309 around these levels. Like the bullish divergence is in play. We don't have any bearish divergence yet. Nothing indicating that. And have a look at the 4-hourly chart. Oh yeah, okay. There is some bearish divergence here. Okay. Let's see if we can hold above 281. If we can hold above 280, okay. If we can hold above 280, just some sideways action, and then, you know, I can expect, you know, some more push to the upside. But this is an important level. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna draw a okay, we'll see. Let's see if we can hold. Moving averages. Wow. Okay, just hold on now. So short term is trying to go above the midterm, while midterm at the same time. This is not like this is not the best look, but luckily it's on the 4-hour chart. But looks like midterm is trying to roll over the long term. Hourly chart look like it's holding around that support level I was talking about. Okay, good. I like this action. Okay, we are probably gonna see some more action to the upside. Seems like it. Just a minute. We do have some resistance again around to, you know, to 85 to 87 levels. Like we gotta, let's just say between 285 to 289. Okay, we do have resistance around these levels. If we can get out of there on the hourly, see you at higher levels. But this indecision after this mini push, if we come back and like break 280 first resistance, I mean, sorry, first support, it's fine. But if we break below 275 to like these levels, close daily or even 4-hourly below that, below 277 areas, it's not gonna be looking good, okay? And that's what we do in the stream. We talk about both probabilities, both to the upside and both like to the downside, not just, you know, one way. And then you do the maths, like, you know, you add up everything, all the bullish factors, all the bearish factors, and you come to a conclusion. Just a minute, guys. I'm gonna get some water or something. I'll keep up the Bitcoin chart for us. 10 minutes. And guys, if you like the contents I bring, consider subscribing and liking and maybe sharing with your friends. And comment and let me know what you think of the streams, if you have any opinions, any ideas, any market you'd like me to have a look at, and I'll make sure I look at them. Okay, I'll be back in 5. I'm back, guys. Okay, I'm pretty tired today and I have a lot of things to do, and I've been doing a lot of things um that was related to the stream and some new things that you guys will see soon, hopefully. So I have to, you know, talk with some people after the stream is over so I can go through some things with them and so on. But yeah, I'll try to hang out as much as possible. Okay, so Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm not liking the look of this right now. Like I said, well, we gotta see, some action above at least 19.5. Like this is not looking that good right now. The fact that we closed, around these levels, not above at least 19.8 is not the best sign, but we are losing negative momentum, like for the like a little bit, a little bit. We're not like it's not lost, it's still negative momentum, but it's a bit weaker, okay? With the just to say it more correctly, it's a bit weaker right now, but this can easily flip to red if this thing's just, tanks. So we'll see what happens. But let's keep in mind we do have nice divergence on both oscillators, okay? Let's see if something happens with that. I mean, what was it? I think it was Link's chart that was looking much better. That's something else. Okay, let's head over. We've already done BNB as well, right? Yeah. Okay. So we can have a look at what else? What else? Solana, yeah. Still above critical levels, still above $32. Like we haven't broken it. Okay, let's look at the monthly since it's a new month. I mean, I can't say much looking at the oscillator. Like we are around neutral territories on the RSI, and that's it. We do have an inverted hammer, obviously, right here, which is good. Um, Closed above $32, also good on the monthly. But I don't like the fact, like, still, I'm not saying the bears are in control, but they definitely have, like, they are here. Like, bulls keep on trying to push, and then we get pushed back down. You see? Weekly, weekly. Well, there is no divergence on the RSI, okay? And the hidden bullish divergence is still in play. It's in play, meaning we are in it right now, okay? Let's have a look at the daily. Okay, we're playing the hidden bullish divergence right now when it comes to the daily chart as well. Same goes for the RSI, like it's just that like this level, $35, we were there yesterday and then look what happened. Like, okay, I guess we know it's resistance levels. If you've been watching the past streams, since already like 2, 3 months ago, this has been there. But I guess the good thing is we are still above support. First support, okay, around 32.25. That's good. The moment we break that, there's really not much holding us until $30. And if we break that one, I've already discussed this. Next area would be somewhere around, let's see now. Yeah, somewhere around $26, $25, somewhere around these areas, okay? Solana, let's have a look at the 4-hourly chart if there's anything interesting here. Whoa. Okay, we gotta respect the $32 level like we have to, because this, I'm not liking the looks of this, but it's okay if we come here and then pull up, you know, you guys can see here. We pulled, 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 pulled. Let's see if this is gonna be another pull. And if the MACD kind of stays around the level it's at, we might see some nice divergence. RSI was looking bullish yesterday, but then that was it. This happened, we hit resistance and rolled over. Yeah. Not looking that strong, not looking that strong. But it's good that we're holding above support, first support, okay? So we know the first resistance here, and first target would be around, you know, if we can break above $35.5 on the 4-hourly, on the daily, eventually around 37.3, 38.5, around these levels, okay? So we know the levels to the upside and the downside, and you know, the bearish and the bullish factors. Now you do the maths and hopefully you make a strike, you know, or you get a strike. Okay, that's Solana. What else? Ripple. Ripple. Yeah, like I said yesterday, as long as we do not get above 0.51, 0.52 levels, it really doesn't matter. Up, we bounce out of support. But if there's no follow through, doesn't mean much, right? Okay, monthly. This is not looking bad. I mean, so past candle, prior candle, like, looks like it closed as a bullish candle, which is good. I'm really expecting, you know, some action to the upside from XRP, but by the looks of the chart. Like, this is not hope, I'm just saying by the looks of the chart and the TA in general. Now we do have some nice divergence on the R side also, so let's see what Ripple is gonna do. Thing is, if you guys can see closely, do you see how we're like right below, like price action closed right below the moving average, and we are still below the moving average. Like, the moment we get above it on the monthly, and when we're closing, hopefully, you know, at the end of the month, we're like far from these levels. It's gonna be something. Weekly chart. There's still bearish divergence in play. That hasn't changed at all. On both oscillators, okay? Like it's weekly is looking not the best. Short-term moving average is trying to, you know, roll over the midterm. Another weak signal. Let's have a look at the daily. Okay, we're holding the long-term moving average. Short-term above the midterm. Good, good. There is no divergence, okay, on XRP daily chart. Like there is no divergence. And like I said, I like this action right here, like a nice bounce out of second support. We tried to hold the first one, but it didn't work out, so we went all the way to the second support like twice and bounced off it twice. Good. And now we're holding this long-term moving average. Problem is we are still stuck below, you know, 0.5 levels, 0.52 levels. Like we gotta break out of it on a daily, close above it on a daily, even for hourly chart, like for us to see, you know, some more push to the upside, because there is resistance between 0.51 to 0.53 around these levels, not to the dot, but around these levels, okay? But TA is being respected so far, even when it comes to XRP. Volume. Well, compared to this, there is some more volume here. Definitely on the weekly too. Okay, 4-hourly chart. Like, okay, we gotta hold 0.46 levels, like not get below it, 0.4577, 0.6 levels right now. We gotta hold for us, you know, to have some sideways action and then, you know, push, you know, to the upside. But let's see this as support when it comes to the 4-hour chart, okay? Around 0.47, 0.46, around these areas. Even 0.456, somewhere there, okay? For now, I could remove these, but for educational purposes, I'm just gonna let them be right now, okay? Because this is also support still. But I don't see any divergence on the 4-hourly chart. Any bearish divergence. Bullish divergence is in play. We are in it right now, so we'll see where this takes us, okay? Yeah, I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I'm tired and I'm stressing because like I have, yeah, like I said, some things to get to after the stream as well. But it's okay. We'll focus on this first. Okay, so that's Ripple. We are done with Ripple. because it's looking interesting. Like I'm good to keep an eye on this. See where we go. If monthly breaks above 0.52 levels, we are gonna see a nice continuation, a bit of a continuation to the upside at least. Okay. Total market cap. We're still holding these levels. We can have a look at Matic. So Matic is holding critical areas, like we are above it. We opened like way above it and even above. Let's see now. We opened 7.584. We closed, somewhere there too, 7.5. Good. That's a good sign. We are losing negative momentum on the MACD. Not there yet, really, but it's weaker. Okay. And we do have bullish divergence on the RSI. Another good thing. What's weekly saying? Sorry, this is link. Supposed to be looking at thematic. There we go. Sorry, let's take that one more time. Okay, so Matic. We are losing negative momentum on the MACD. It's getting weaker. We have nice divergence on the RSI. Good. We are above support levels actually. Look, we closed close to it, but not below it. Okay, prior candle didn't close below 0.75 levels, so it's okay. It's good. Yeah, we are holding critical levels. It's weird, but it's kind of the same thing I said for Link now, but yeah. What is this? Like altcoins showing some type of strength, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see if this holds. So weekly, Matic weekly. There's no like bearish divergence. No. Okay, that's good. If this level holds, maybe I can make the between 0.75 to, let's see now, 0.73. If we do not get below it, hold up, just a minute. No, on the weekly, if we do not get below 0.69, if we can hold the weekly above that, we can come back and retest it. That's okay, but important thing is we don't get below it. As long as we don't get below it, like, we are okay. But if we come and retest it, that wouldn't be weird at all. That would be a support level. Like I can remove this one or just, hide it. There we go. And let's just say, around these levels, okay? So if you come back, retest, fine. As long as we don't break it, okay? Daily, let's have a look at the daily. Okay, hidden bullish divergence is in play. We are in it right now. We do have positive momentum on the MACD. RSI neutral. Let's see if if we can get to 0.82 levels, 0. It's possible we can come and test these levels, but thing is we need to break out of this, trend line. Just a minute. Why is it like this? First of all, this. Okay. Much better. Okay. So we might find resistance around 0.5, 0.85, 0.88 levels. But if like we can break out of that, eventually see around 0.93, 0.95, around these levels, then we're gonna see some real action. Like if we can break out of that level, okay? And this is on the daily. Let's have a look at the 4-hourly chart. Yeah, we are at resistance levels again. Resistance level again. And again. And again. It keeps on happening. We kind of like have some type of bearish divergence, on the 4-hourly chart. Not on the RSI, but the MACD kind of, okay? Let's just say, yeah, we do have bearish divergence, and then I do not like this, this indecision going on right now. So we might see a pullback. Wouldn't be surprising at this moment. A pullback all the way to 0.75 levels, 0.73 levels wouldn't surprise me. Just a minute. Yeah, 0.73, 0.75, as you guys can see, because we were holding these levels, before. So it could act as support. We can pull back and come back here and retest it. Wouldn't be surprising. I can draw a line or a box. Just a minute. Okay, somewhere around these levels, okay? I'm gonna write within these boxes later after the stream, just to, write if it's the first support or second support and so on. But clearly you can see on the 4-hourly chart, like that's the first support I'll be looking at, I think. Just a minute, let me just double check. Okay, yeah, that's like if we lose 0.763, yeah, exactly here, okay? Let me just do this. Not exactly, but around these areas. If we lose, somewhere around these levels for support, see you back around these levels. That's what I'm seeing right now for Matic. Let's look at the 3-day chart if there's anything special. No. Well, yeah, no, nothing. There's no bullish divergence or anything else. Our size neutral. We are above the short-term moving average, which is a good thing, but that's it. I mean, Matic was just beautiful at these areas, like the ranges we were playing that time. It was perfect. Like buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, hold, sell. You guys remember from my streams? Okay, what else? What else? What else? Let's get back to Bitcoin and just see what's going on there. You know how Bitcoin is, like you'll be blinking and then in a blink of an eye, it's gone up like $800 to $1,000 and then down $800 to $1,000 again. But I keep on saying the fact that we couldn't like close above 19.7, 19, at least 19.5. I don't like that. Yeah, Bitcoin is gonna, I think it's gonna be a hell of a month. A lot of people expecting a push. That much I know. A lot of people expecting a push. But whether it's gonna happen or not, none of us know. By the looks of this, I can say like not anytime soon. Looks like we had a push, but monthly is not looking the best, not even the daily right now. Hopefully the divergences play out, but and this, indecision candle after all this, but the fact that we wicked down and then now we're opening below this level, I don't know. That's not a strong signal. What else, guys? What else can I have a look at? XLM, right. It was kind of looking interesting yesterday, right? Let's just have a look. Monthly opening way above the support level. Fine. Okay, good. I mean, we do have nice divergence on one of the oscillators when it comes to the monthly. But then the weekly is bearish. It's as bearish as Ripple's weekly chart, okay? Don't forget that. Like, weekly is not looking good. Like, so we might see some more, you know, downside action, like with something. Okay, daily is like we broke the trend line. We spoke about this yesterday. But what's going on? Like, where are the buyers? Okay, we gotta hold above this level. Let me just... We gotta hold above these levels so we can see some more, you know, action. Probably come back and test 0.01, 0.012 levels and then see where we go from there. If we can break 0.12 level on a like 4-hourly chart even, see eventually around the second resistance, that would be around 0. It's literally like close to each other, around 0.1 to 50, 0.1 to 70, around these levels. Okay, because yeah, we have some nice resistance levels lined up when it comes to Stellar. Ripple's little cousin or Ripple's little brother. Back to Bitcoin, like I just wanna keep an eye on this. Finally, I found this Stream Beats playlist, and it's a nice change from the audio, you know, playlist I've been playing from recently. It's on Spotify, so I don't have to be going back to the website all the time just to, you know, keep on keeping it active. And the music was actually not that bad. Some were real good. What else? What else? We've had a look at Matic too. So we've had a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Polygon, Matic that is, Atom 2, and XLM as well, and Solana. Right, Link also. what was it? I think Maker was doing okay yesterday. Let me see now. Here it is. Okay. Monthly. Look at the support that's holding. Like, look, it's holding like almost to that dot. Almost. Like inches from, okay? If we can see a bullish candle for Maker like this month, when it comes to the monthly, when it comes to the monthly, it's gonna be interesting, very interesting. Okay, but monthly just started, so just, you know, let's be realistic and go back to the mid to short term levels. So what's weekly telling us? It's telling us there is hidden bearish divergence. It's also telling us support is holding like a rock again. Okay, we literally have to get above somewhere around, you know, 2300 levels for the bearish divergence to just die out. Until then, yeah, we're still in danger. Danger is not over. Okay, we are at support levels around this area, seems like right now. The one that held around this level. Perfect. Bounced off it. This first support, this weekly, okay, long term. First support, second support, like let's just say first support. Both of them between this, okay, between 660 to 560 areas, okay. There is nice divergence on the weekly when it comes to Maker. I mean, looking at the long term, but on the MACD, telling us be careful. Let's have a look at the daily. Hidden bearish divergence straight on the MACD, straight. Okay. I don't like this action. Let's see now. If this breaks, see you back around, you know, 650, I don't know, 650 areas, 658, somewhere around these levels again. Let me just do this. There you go. First daily support. The moment we close, I'm imagining it's also the 4-hourly. Let me just double check. Yeah, if we close below, you know, 7 to 730, around these levels, 728, 730, around these levels, even on the 4-hourly, see eventually are back around 685 to 660, 665, like, you know, $20 or so difference. But right now looks like we are gonna go down right now, this moment as I'm speaking. I'm expecting some more downside for anything. I mean, if you draw a trend line, you can also see we're breaking out of it probably right now. Or maybe not yet. We're not breaking out of it yet, I guess. But soon enough, I can see that happening. I can just do this. Yeah, like a channel. Now that I see it, yeah, it's been respecting this channel, I guess. No need to draw the channel right now, but you know what I mean, parallel channel. Like, we need to break 890 to the upside, like first resistance. If we do that, okay, this is on the daily. Right, I forgot to put the chart on for you guys. Okay. So we need to break these levels, like 860 to 890 levels for us, you know, to see it somewhere around $1,000 for a start. Okay, so first resistance would be around 860 to 890 levels. Okay, 860 to 890 levels, or somewhere around these areas. And if you can break that to the upside, see around $1,000 eventually, 1053, somewhere around these areas. Okay, that's Maker USDT. Let's head back over to Bitcoin and see what's going on there. Like bulls are trying to hang on in there, they are trying to stay above these levels, they are really trying. Okay, Quant, we can have a look at Quant. TA got respected for one of my short videos, because you know the short videos, it's for like 24 hours to 48 hours at maximum, three days, something like that. But sometimes it is for longer, or not longer, but for longer time periods. And when I say longer time periods, I mean days, not weeks or anything like that. Maybe like 5 days or something like that, a bit longer than 3 days, but not a week or months. In that case, I'm probably gonna let you know in the description box. Just make sure you read it. So Quant. Okay. We got close to, the first support level around these areas. Good. And daily, let's look at the monthly first. Looking nice. Monthly is looking nice. Like if this continues, like monthly, eventually, I guess I'll see you around $280, $290 eventually, okay? If this like holds and does what I think it wants to do, we could go there. Let's have a look. Look, our size not like it's just neutral right now. Let's have a look at the weekly. Weekly looking strong. We are breaking above the like short-term moving average. We do have resistance. Let me just make this understood. We do have resistance around these levels, 145 to 156, $156, okay? So keep that in mind. There is no divergence on the RSI whatsoever. Plus, it is like in bullish territories, and this is the weekly. Okay, let's have a look at the daily. We are overbought, but sometimes when it comes to some points, like it doesn't matter if it's overbought. If it wants to continue, it's gonna continue. The thing is, still, we are at resistance levels. We are at resistance levels. I'm gonna keep on repeating this, okay? The only way, like, I'm gonna, like, be sure, like, we're breaking through this resistance is if we close a daily and even 4 hourly above around $160. Let's say $155 to $160, okay? Then fine. Then it's probably gonna go parabolic or something, this month. But right now, I have that reason, the fact that we are at resistance levels, okay? And I did say in my shorts video, yes, we can go higher, like, wouldn't be, something shocking or something. But there was resistance here, and I'm not gonna say it again, but if you've been following my streams, you know what this is telling us, okay? So, and there's already bearish divergence developing, so you do the math, okay? A lot of people might be getting in at these areas, I don't know, but I'd like me personally, I'd wait, for lower prices, like somewhere around at least 130, like short term. If I'd like to scalp or just, DCA or just, like a better trade, I would like I'd wait till it gets, down to at least 128, 29 around these areas, and then, see, because that's where I see first support still not changed, and second support would be around these levels. That's not changing either. I'm not changing that either. If we break this level, which I think we could, like, based on the 4 hour chart telling us, like, the bulls are getting exhausted. I'm not saying they're losing control, but they seem exhausted, okay? So let's see if 130 around these areas, 130, levels will hold. If not, like I already told you. So that's quant, ladies and gents. Okay, let's head over back to Bitcoin. Like, this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna look at something and then head over back to Bitcoin because all eyes on Bitcoin right now. Monthly close stream. And we've done like a few here. We've gone through Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Chainlink, Matic, Binance Coin, BNB, Atom, and Solana, and Stellar, and Maker, and Quant. Not bad. In an hour and 44 minutes. Okay, guys, thank you for the love, the support, like the likes, all the contributions. I appreciate it. And do not forget to like, consider subscribing and liking, especially liking and commenting and subscribing, okay? If you find value in the contents I bring you, and take care, don't stress, learn TA, invest in yourself, and I'll see you on the next one.